Hello friends, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the Momo recipe. I am going to make steamed veg momos. So if you like my video, then please like this and subscribe to my channel. So now let's see the ingredients we need for this. Here I have taken 1 cup of plain flour or maida, some salt to taste. These are the ingredients for making dough, and for filling I have taken 1.5 cup of cabbage. I have finely chopped it, half cup of finely chopped carrot, 2 finely chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt to taste. And for Momo chutney I have taken 2 medium tomatoes, 2 dry Kashmiri red chilli and 2 dry red chilies, 4 almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, I have just sliced it, some salt to taste. Now let's make the momos and momo chutney. So first for momo chutney we'll boil tomatoes and red chili. So for this take a kettle, turn on the flame and add some water and bring it to a boil. When the water comes to a boil, add 2 tomatoes, 2 dry Kashmiri red chili and 2 red chilies. You can use more chilies if you want to, and cook the tomatoes and red chili on a medium flame for about 12 to 13 minutes. Now it's been 13 minutes and the tomatoes are cooked. You can see the skin is coming off from the tomatoes. Now turn off the flame and discard the water. Keep it aside so that they can cool down and we'll use this later. Meanwhile, let's make the dough. So for this I have taken 1 cup of plain flour. Put it in a big mixing bowl like so. Add some salt to taste. Mix it well, and with the help of water knead a dough. Knead a medium soft and smooth dough. Not very soft, not very hard, just medium soft dough we'll need. The dough is ready. Now grease the hand with some oil like so and knead the dough another for some seconds. Now cover the dough with the damp cloth and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the filling for the momos. So for this take a kadai, heat 1 tablespoon oil, when the oil becomes hot, turn the flame to low and add chopped green chili and cabbage. Now mix it well. Now add chopped carrot. Mix it well. And cook the veggies for about 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame. Now it's been 6 minutes and the veggies are cooked. And now add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm not going to add the salt right now while the veggies are hot. Let it cool down completely and then I'll use some salt. Now turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down completely. Meanwhile, our tomatoes and red chili are cooled down. Now we'll make momo chutney. So for this, peel the skin off from the tomatoes like so. Cut them into smaller pieces and put them in blender. Now add red chilies, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, ginger, 4 almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1/3 teaspoon of red chilli. You can use more if you want to. Now blend it into a blender. Now I blended the chutney, and now this is the Momo chutney is ready. You can see how beautiful the red color is. Now our dough is also ready. So remove the towel and knead the dough for some second, like so. And divide the dough into equal portions, like so. I have divided the dough into equal portions. Now I'm gonna smoothen the dough balls between my palms, like so. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough balls as well. Dough balls is now ready. So time to add the salt in the mixture. Add some salt in the veggie mixture and mix it well. Now we'll make the sheets from the dough balls. So take one ball and roll it using a rolling pin, like so. And if you feel that the sheet is sticking to the platform, you can sprinkle some dry flour as well. Now roll a thin sheet. So I have made a sheet. Place it on a plate, and similarly I will make all the sheets. All the sheets are now ready. So now let's make the momos. So for this, take a sheet. Now put 2 teaspoons of filling in the center of the sheet, like so. And then start gathering the sides of this momos. Basically we are making pleats along with its edges. And once you reach the other side, just gather all the pleats in the center, like so. Now the momo is ready. So place it on a butter paper, like so. And similarly I'll make some more momos. Here I have made 7 momos. Let's cook them first. So for cooking, take idli stand. I'm cooking momos in an idli stand today. You can use any other vessel as well. Here I have a sieve. Place a butter paper on it, like so, and grease the butter paper with some oil so that the momos won't stick to the sieve, like so. Now add some water and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, place the sieve into the stand, like so, and put all the momos on this sieve. And cover it and cook the momos for 14 to 15 minutes on high flame. Now it's been 15 minutes and our momos is now ready. You can see how beautiful they are looking and tasty too. Serve it with a momo chutney, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.